In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive to store, organize, and access your files from your computer. Google Drive is a secure place on the web where your documents, photos, and projects live, and it keeps everything available across your devices. We'll start in a web browser. Go to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, use your Google account to log in so Drive can load your personal space. To bring existing content into Drive, look to the left and click the big New button. Choose File Upload when you want to add individual items, like a document or a photo. If you've already arranged things on your computer, select Folder Upload to bring an entire folder and its contents at once. You'll see Upload Progress at the bottom corner, and when it's done, those files are safely stored in the cloud. You can also create new work directly in Drive. Click plus New again and pick Google Docs for documents, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, or Google Slides for presentations. If you need a different type, select More to see additional options. Anything you create here saves automatically, so there's no need to press Save. Keeping Drive tidy makes everything easier to find. Click plus New and choose Folder to make a place for a project or topic. Give it a name, then drag and drop files into that folder right in your browser. You can drag multiple items at once, and the changes take effect immediately. When you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top. Start typing the file name, and Drive will suggest matches as you go. Click the one you want, and it will open in a new tab. Sharing in Drive is straightforward. Right-click any file or folder, choose Share, type the recipient's email address, and click Send. They'll get an email with access. For collaboration, you can decide whether people can view or edit depending on what you need. If you want reliable access from your computer even when you're offline, install Google Drive for desktop. Sign in, then choose between Mirror Files, which keeps copies on your computer and in the cloud, or Stream Files, which shows everything but downloads items as you use them to save space. Your Drive will appear in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, and changes sync automatically when you're online again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.